Do I need a visa to start a company in the United States? The short answer is no. A visa is simply an entry document that you use to enter the country physically. So when you show up at the border, you show the customs officer your passport with your visa, and that allows the customs officer to admit you and allow you to enter the United States. However, if your business does not require your physical presence in the United States, then you can open a company and operate a company from abroad. You're allowed to register your company from abroad with the Secretary of State's office. You can pay your taxes and any licenses due from abroad. You can hire U.S. workers from abroad as long as your company is compliant. You can virtually do everything, even open a bank account through online banks from abroad. So everything that's needed to just open a company can be done from abroad. There's no reason to be physically present in the United States. What examples of businesses can operate from abroad? The examples we see all the time are e-commerce businesses where the clients, the customers want to see a U.S. entity. However, the managerial staff, the founder, all the management and directors of the company are based abroad, and they don't really need to be here because a lot of the operational work is done from abroad. In that case, like an e-commerce business, you can open a U.S. company and operate from abroad. Another example we see very often are tech companies where in order to have access to U.S. financing, companies or structures or subsidiaries are opened in the United States, even though the founders, the directors, the managers are all located abroad. And this is completely legal and it's compliant. The big thing that you have to understand here is that if you ever need to be in the United States to transact business for that company, so for example, you can't negotiate a deal from abroad, you have to be physically present to sign a contract, or your bank requires you to show up in person in order to sign certain documents. In that case, when your physical presence is required in the United States, then you need a visa, or you need to be eligible for ESTA, or if you're Canadian, you need to be eligible to be admitted on your Canadian passport. But the bottom line is you will need a valid entry document, such as a visa, to physically enter the United States. Other than that, if your sole goal is to open a U.S. company, you do not need a visa for that. I hope you found this video helpful.